If f of x is x squared minus 3x, determine f prime of x, meaning.
Derivative.
I know, this is your baby. From first principle.
From first principles.
Yeah, I don't like this as well. I mean, the students don't like it, but it's long. But it's easy, actually.
Okay, cool. So we're going to start with the formula very quickly. We're just going to sub everything in, simplify it, and hopefully everything will just sort itself out. So let's begin. So the derivative of x is the limit. I hope you guys know this equation as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x and all of this divided by h. The real thing over here is you need to remember your notation. You need to take this down with you until you sub in h equals to 0. So in our case over here, we're going to have the limit as h tends to 0. F of x plus h, what you do wherever there's an x, you sub in x plus h. So over here and over there. So we're going to have x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h. So this over here, let me actually just put it in square brackets. So this is f of x plus h. Then minus f of x is minus x squared minus 3x.
Yeah, no, don't
and
need to close anything.
All of this over h. Okay, now we're going to simplify.
FOIL distributive law.
So over here you're going to have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared.
For the first bracket.
Minus 3x
distributive
minus 3h. Let me actually just show where that comes from. Now we're over here, so we're going to have minus x squared plus 3x and all of this divided by h. Now we're going to look, let's see what cancels. So x squared,
so in the next slide we write
cancels over there.
3x cancel.
3x cancels.
2xh plus h squared, that one we know, over h. Can you go?
Yep.
You need the next slide.
Okay, so
the derivative.
We're going to have 2xh plus h minus 3 times h all over that divided by h, and this is still, remember, it's a derivative
with the limit from
and it's the limit as h tends to 0. Okay, now we can take out a common factor from the top. I'm just going to do it the long way around just so you guys see how I'm proceeding. So h tends to 0. We're going to take out h as a common factor. It's 2x plus 1 minus 3. And all of this divided by
let's
h.
go back.
I have a feeling I've made a mistake as well.
H squared.
H squared.
H squared.
Okay, h squared. So this is going to be h. Okay. Now we can cancel over here and over there.
Yeah.
This is going to give you the limit as h tends to 0 of 2x minus 3
plus h plus 5 and 10 to 0 so far, yeah.
And all of this is divided by 1.
Yeah.
And now we can sub in
0.
H equals to 0. So this is going to be 2x minus 3 plus 0.
Yeah. Which is
2x minus 3. And that is the answer.
Yeah, from first principle. Guys, as you turn in 0 here, you don't write the limit on your answer because you turn in 0. You don't actually write the limit. You leave the answer like that.